हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है मेहताब खान और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा YouTube चैनल नॉलेज हुक।
IV, cannulation sizes, types, procedure and precaution.
Introduction of IV cannula.
Intravenous, IV cannulation, is a technique in which a cannula is placed inside a vein to provide venous access. Venous access allows sampling of blood, as well as administration of fluids, medications, parenteral nutrition, chemotherapy, and blood products.
Parts of cannula: lure lock cap, needle grip, injection port cap, valve, pushing, needle, catheter hub plus wings, lure connector, flashback chamber. Types of IV cannula uses: gauge, flow rate, diameter of cannula.
Cannula color orange, gauge, size 14. G, external diameter, 2.1 millimeters. Cannula length, 45 millimeters. Flow rate, 270 milliliters per minute. Usage trauma, high-risk surgery for rapid infusion of whole blood or blood components or viscous fluids. Cannula color, gray gauge, size 16. G, external diameter, 1.8 millimeters. Cannula, length 45 millimeters flow. Rate 220 milliliters per minute. Usage trauma or surgery when high-volume fluids required quickly. For rapid infusion of whole blood or blood components or viscous fluids. Cannula, color white gauge size 17. G, external diameter, 1.5 millimeters. Cannula, length 45 millimeters. Typical flow rate 150 milliliters per minute. Usage: significant amount fluids, blood required at high volumes for infusing blood transfusion quickly. Cannula color, green gauge size 18. G, external diameter, 1.078 millimeters. 3 millimeter cannula length, 45 millimeters. Typical flow rate 90 milliliters per minute. Usage: total parenteral nutrition, TPN, large volume of crystalloid fluids. Cannula color, pink gauge, size 20. G, external diameter, 1.1 millimeters. Cannula length, 32 millimeters. Typical flow rate, 55 milliliters per minute. Usage: multi-purpose, for hydration, IV medication, blood sampling. Cannula color, blue gauge, size 22. G, external diameter, 0.9 millimeters. Cannula length 25 millimeters. Typical flow rate 31 milliliters per minute. Usage: chemotherapy, elderly patients, pediatrics, slow infusions. Cannula color, yellow gauge, size 24. G, external diameter, 0.7 millimeters. Cannula length 19 millimeters. Typical flow rate 20 milliliters per minute. Usage: short-term infusions, frail patients, elderly patients, pediatric patients. Cannula color, purple gauge, size 26. G, external diameter, 0.6 millimeters. Cannula length 19 millimeter flow rate, 15 milliliters per minute. Usage: pediatric, children or neonates.